Do you know there is a natural cure for laugh lines and crow's feet? Before we go into this, we are going to find out the exact cause of these skin conditions. When it comes to creating wrinkles, your eye area is sort of a perfect storm: thin skin that's more susceptible to environmental damage like UV rays and pollution, fewer oil glands which leave the skin drier and less supple, and lots of movement from facial contractions like smiling and squinting helps creases to form. Add in the natural loss of the subtle layer of skin smoothing fat below your skin as you age, and you've got a recipe for lines. Skin care expert Victoria Adewoyan recently formulated a natural solution to tackle these conditions. This solution has helped her clients, friends and family members. Look in the description box below for link to the step-by-step video for creating a natural treatment serum for crow's feet and laugh lines. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more natural health videos.